So I'm going to skip the introduction. I'm going to get right into this. Right now we have Binance, which has frozen Do Kwon's assets, and that's due to what Korea had asked Binance. So they are following the rules. It is a centralized exchange, and that's what to expect with centralized exchanges. Do Kwon, he should have learned. He should have put his money on a hardware wallet. Next up, we have Christine Lagarde, European Central Bank woman. Christine Lagarde, she says that it is illegal to pay 1,000 euros in cash now, and you could face jail time. This is crazy. This gets in, here, I'll get in a little more of this. So Alex Kruger says in France it's illegal to pay 1,000 euros in cash. Now, Eric Voorhees said, and every year this limit falls 5 to 10% in real terms due to inflation. So what does that mean? It means that things are going to cost more, so 1,000 euros isn't going to go very far. Can you imagine 5-10 years from now? It's hardly going to buy anything at the rate that they are printing currencies because of all the bailouts they are doing right now. Think about this for a second. They're making it illegal for you to use their own legal tender. You kind of getting this right now? This is psychoticness. It's really crazy. Like, why even issue currency if you are deeming it illegal and you could potentially face jail time to use it? It's crazy. Now we have JP Morgan's CEO Jamie Dimon saying that the debt ceiling, as long as I'm alive, the US will not default. I agree with him. The US will not default. It's going to inflate its way out of its problem, and they're going to issue other forms of currency, which I cannot mention here because I will get shadow banned. So yes, it's a very dangerous road that the Federal Reserve is going down, and its people will suffer big time. Lastly, I have the market is now expecting another 25 basis point rise in May. So the market is not going to be surprised if there is a 25 basis point rise, right? Keep in mind, these little tiny basis point rises, they don't mean anything. Keep in mind, remember back in the 70s, you had Volcker raise interest rates to 17 or 18%. That's because he was actually serious about quelling inflation. This is not doing anything, and it's only going to make matters worse until they do pivot and they start lowering interest rates, which they should do probably next year. So that's all today. Please like and subscribe. Check us down below for our CT Club, where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, and all that stuff. Talk to you soon.